Okay, we're going to go ahead and talk about, I fixed my smartboard so I can see you now. We're going to go ahead and talk about the next type of pay. Now, the next type of pay is called commission. Commission is what a salesperson gets paid based on sales. I always like to tell everyone that if you are a good salesman, you need to find a job that pays well, pays good commission, find a product you believe in, and sell, because you can make a lot of money if you are a good salesman. So let's talk about how to get paid with commission. Commission is basically just income based on the amount of sales that you have. So the first type of commission we're going to talk about is going to be straight commission. Straight commission, there we go. Straight commission is gross earnings that are fixed percentage of sales. So no matter how much you sell, you get a percentage of that money. So let's just go ahead and say, for instance, that I sell cars, okay? And no matter how many cars I sell in a month, I get paid a percentage of that sale. So if I sell a car for $50,000 and I get 10%, I automatically get $5,000. If I sell another car for $50,000, I get $5,000. No matter how many I sell a month, I get straight commission. There's no bonuses, no anything, just money based on sales. If I sell 0 cars, that means that I get no money, okay? So your income is based directly on your sales. So your gross earnings is your commission rate. The rate is the percentage that you earn off of the sales that you have. And then your commissionable sales, those are the sales you had that you can earn commission off of. So numbers, if she sold, and it doesn't give you a time, it looks like weekly, $3,945.10 that week, how do I find the weekly gross earnings? I'm going to take $3,945.10 times 9% to get my gross earnings. So let's get my calculator out. So we have $3,945.10 times 9%, don't forget 9% is 0.09. And that gives me $355.06. For those of you who forget how to round to the nearest cent, if I have 355 point, what was that again? 059. Okay, in order to round, I'm going to look at the second number. I'm going to look into the nearest cent, and then I'm going to look at the third number to see if I go up or down. If that third number here is 5 or higher, we're going to round up. If it's 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we're going to keep it the same. So since this is a 9, we're going to round that 5 to a 6. So I get $355.06. Okay, and that's straight commission. You're going to have problems like that on your worksheet. All right, the next type of problem that you're going to have is commission minus returns. Gross earnings do not include commission earned on any items that have been returned. For example, some companies will offer 30 days money back guaranteed. A lot of times the reason they do 30 days can be because they don't actually pay their salespeople on anything that gets returned. So let's go back to the car salesman. Let's say that I'm still selling cars and I sold a car for $12,000 and I want to earn commission that month. However, 10 days after that person purchased the car, they return the car, and since my company has a 30 days money back guarantee, I no longer make commission on that $12,000. So I have to subtract out the returns before I can actually get paid a commission. Okay, it's just like when you go to the store, you can always tell on the stores where the employees get paid commission because they flock around you like crazy as soon as you walk in. If you return something, that employee no longer gets commission off of what you return. So if we look at Sydney down here, she had total sales of $5,136.50. However, there was $150 returned. So she doesn't get to make commission off of that amount of money. So we're going to subtract that first, and that's what we're doing right here. Okay, we're taking our sales minus our returns. So $5,136.50 minus 150 $5,136.50 minus $150, $4,986.50. Okay, so now I have my commissionable sales. That's actually the amount of money that I get to make commission off of. And what's my commission rate? My commission rate is 10%. So I'm going to multiply that by 10%, and you can see that up here, times 10%. And when you multiply something by 10%, it just moves the decimal place 1.1 time to the left. So I'm going to make $498.65. Okay, and if I plug that in here, if you look, times 0.10, 10%, $498.65. Okay? Let's keep moving. Actually, no. Those are the only two types of problems that you're going to have in worksheet 1. I'm going to create a second video for worksheet 2. So go ahead and give these a try.